The muzzle device on here is their Springfield Armory Muzzle Brake. It does not have any quick detach options for different types of suppressors or blast cans or anything like that, so that kind of sucks. These do come in a few different colors, and they did stake the castle nut, which is a good thing right here. These can range anywhere from 700 to 1,000 doll hairs, depending on which version you get, where you get them, if they're on sale. I have some info over at the parts list where you can find them. Overall, I do like this, but I'll be honest, it's just not my first choice in a rifle because I feel like there's other versions around that same price point that are just as good, if not a little bit better.